In our previous video, we have placed all the components and arranged them. In this video, I'm going to connect all the pins. To connect the pins, go to Add Connect command. Here you can see the available options. On the top, you can change the active layer. Right now, the active layer is top. You can change this to any of these layers. This is the line locking angle. If it is 90 degree, the corner will be 90 degrees. If you change this to 45 degree, you can make the corners to be 45 degree, like this. If you turn the line lock option off, you can draw traces in any direction. My preference is 45 degree. By default, this line width should be 20 mils, as we set up our minimum line width to be 20 mils. But if you want to draw any wider traces, you can change the value here. Let's start placing the traces. I want to connect this pin with this pin, but in between here we have another trace. In this case, we can use this way all around, but I am going to show you how can we use vias to change the layer. Start placing the trace. Here, double click left mouse button and a via will be placed, and on right here you can change the active layer. I want the trace to be at the bottom layer, so I'm selecting bottom. Now the trace is on the bottom layer and I'm connecting that trace to the pin. Right click and press done. Now this portion of this trace is on the top layer and this portion of the trace is on the bottom layer, and they are connected here through the via. Let's connect these two pins. Go to Add Connect. I want this on top layer. Select top. Done. I want to slide some traces. To do that, go to the slide command. I need to place another trace here. If you have a lot of components and if it is not easy to see if all the pins are connected or not, you can check that from Tools, Reports, scroll down and you will see Unconnected Pins Report. Double click. Now you will see Unconnected Pins Report here. Select this and click Report. Here you will see total number of unconnected pins is 0. That's how we are making sure that we have connected all the pins. Now we need to place the board outline. To do that, go to Setup, Outlines, select Board Outline, change this board is clearance to 10 mils and select one vertex, select the opposite diagonal vertex, plus. Now all the pins in our board are connected. In the next video I am going to show you how to use copper ports and how to place mechanical symbols for screws.